Hi everyone. So today I will be presenting my author study that I did on Tyra Majors. So this is a picture of Tyra Majors, and then this is also her Grammy and Me book, which I did read, and I'll discuss that towards the end of the presentation. So to begin, Tyra Majors was born in San Diego. She's an author, journalist, entertainment host, content creator, and of course, she's the author of children's book Grammy and Me. I know that she is an anchor, a news reporter, and I believe her occupation is currently based in Bakersfield, where she does news entertainment. So that's pretty awesome. She has multiple experiences in this field, so that's exciting. Continuing about Tyra Majors, she does have a bachelor degree in journalism and a master of science degree in journalism, very local in California, Fullerton and USC. She has a talk show, Major Moves with Tyra Majors, where she talks with millennial entrepreneurs and they discuss their success. The story Grammy and Me is about herself and her great-grandmother. Tyra's great-grandmother passed away in 2014, where she did become inspired to write this children's book. It does capture her memories and her some of her great experiences that she still has of her great-grandmother. This book is also for pre-K students through third grade students. I also did. Tyra had an interview on her website, and I watched her interview, and she read aloud her Grammy and Me book. So I did watch that, and it was a really great children's book. She tells some of her great experiences with her grandmother, how they go to the big store together and they pick out dresses and they shop and they go out to lunch together at a restaurant. They bake chocolate chip cookies together, and she loves spending time with her grandmother. And this book is a great children's book because it allows children to reflect on their loved ones and family members. And to me, it made me very happy because I'm very close to my own grandmothers, both of them, and we do the same things. We go shopping together, we go to lunch, we just chit chat and we catch up. And it's a really great book that children can read with their loved ones or reflect on their loved ones. Next, I did link in some of her socials if you want to reach her or check her out or meet about her. So that's awesome. And then I did link her story, her children's book as well. So if you want to purchase it, it's right here. And yeah, that's all. Thank you.